What's the meaning of Armand Hammer? Armand Hammer. Armand Hammer.
Armand Hammer. Armand Hammer. Armand Hammer is a name that refers to a person, specifically an American businessman who lived from 1898 to 1990. He was known for his work in the oil industry and his involvement in art and philanthropy. The name Armand Hammer has become a symbol of success, wealth, and cultural influence. It has been used in various contexts, including as the name of a popular brand of baking soda and as the inspiration for the Marvel Comics character, Armand Hammer. Overall, the name represents achievement and legacy.